ChatDOC review. Is this AI document tool worth using? Choosing the right AI document tool can make your workflow faster, smarter, and more efficient. ChatDOC is one of the newer AI-powered document assistants on the market, designed to help you read, analyze, summarize, and interact with documents in ways that traditional tools don't allow. But the real question is it worth using? In this review, we'll break down how ChatDOC works, what it's good at, and whether it's right for your needs. ChatDOC is an AI document tool that lets you upload files like PDFs, Word docs, and text files, and interact with them through conversational prompts. Instead of manually reading long documents, you can ask questions, get summaries, extract key info, or even generate follow-ups directly from the content. It's designed to save time and give you deeper insight into complex material, especially when you're dealing with lengthy guides, reports, or study material. The interface is built to be simple and conversational, so you don't need technical skills to use it, and responses are generated quickly based on the content you upload. One of the standout features of ChatDOC is its ability to answer questions contextually, drawing information from across the entire document. This makes it useful for research, work tasks, or learning, where you need specific answers without digging through pages. It also offers summarization tools to quickly reduce long documents into digestible overviews, which can be a huge time saver. However, like any AI tool, accuracy can vary depending on how the document is written and how detailed your questions are. ChatDOC also includes features such as keyword extraction, topic highlights, and the ability to generate follow-up text based on your document's content. These tools can help you create new drafts, prepare reports, or generate ideas faster than traditional copy and paste methods. The learning curve is minimal, and even first-time users can start getting value quickly. On the flip side, it might feel limited if you need highly specialized features, like advanced editing tools or deep formatting control, which are found in more robust document suites. Feature comparison. ChatDOC stands out as an easy-to-use AI document tool that helps you interact with documents through conversational questions, summarization, and content extraction. It's especially useful for users who deal with long files, research papers, or complex reports, and want quick insights without reading every page. Final thoughts. If you want a simple AI tool that can summarize, answer questions, and help you extract insights from documents quickly, ChatDOC is worth considering. It excels in making document interaction faster and more intuitive than traditional methods. However, if you need in-depth editing, formatting power, or enterprise-level document management, you might still need a more comprehensive suite alongside it. The best choice depends on how you plan to use it and what kind of document work you do most often.